Yes, yes.
Yes. Current reservation system have diluted the merit-based system. So the person who have less merit and if they belong to that category, they will reach to the level of that person who have a little bit more merit. So what happens? You often heard the news that in several IITs and NITs, the student from the less privileged society commit suicide. Why they do? Because as they belongs to the less privileged society, they are discriminated. Upper caste person may discriminate that you belongs to that category, and I got such type of marks you didn't get. So means it it means it creates the disrespect within self. So these are some points from my side. So anybody wants to speak, then please speak.
Yes, Mangalam, very good points you have added. It was wonderful. You have added points like in education sector, the government should provide help help in reservation as the in economically, and not give him opportunity to directly join, or not reservation uh, in the job or in the education, like you have focused on point on like in IIM 90% of the 90% of reserved seats are vacant since 1960. So these are the points you have added. These are the very good points. So I am talking about the equity. Okay. So equity and the reservation. There are very very little relationship between them. So in equity, we talk about the the students who are belonging from the lower class family and or poor family, and one students who are belonging from higher class family. So I am telling a short story about this. So one student who are belonging from poor family, he read in the primary school in any village government school, and one whose father is a officer, any officer, and he wants to make a he wants to make a officer. Okay. So they started their career from childhood. The students who are belonging from higher class, they started their study in the age of 3 years. But the students who are belonging from lower class, he started their education from fifth year or sixth, seventh year, and he got admission in the village primary school, and the other higher class student got admission in higher well educated private school, and there are a lot of teachers. They care about the student, and in the class only 30 to 40 35 students in a class. But in case of the government school, about 60, 70 or 100 students are studying in a class. So and the teacher cannot teach cannot care about each student. It is very difficult, so their study are general basically in backward, and the higher class family have already known where he are lagging. So when they are giving a examination like any like I am talking about IAS officer, okay, or BPSC examination. So they are appeared in a BPSC examination. So the one student who are studying from village and one student who are continuous studying in the well educated environment, and one is not, they got roti, they got somewhere roti, and they got somewhere some clothes, and they are living day by day and continue their education, and one he has a very good environment, and both are appearing in the examination. So how we can say, we can talk about the equity, because one is very strong and another is very weak. So here reservation is most important to uplifting the backward condition. So I explain in a very good way. One thing is that first thing is, I take an example, like a father have two children. Okay, I am talking about equity. A father have two children, and his father is poor, and he is giving him 2 glass of milk. Let's other speak. Okay, so one should, sorry, his father give him 1 glass of milk, and to another son give 1 glass of milk. One day the one child of his father is ill, and उन्होंने एक डॉक्टर से दिखाया. So doctor suggests that your children is very weak, so you can take care of him. So you will give a 1.5 glass of milk. So your ill boy is ill boy gets recovered soon. So here the father give the ill boy 1.5 glass of milk, and the boy who are good give 0.5 liter. Here we can say these are the equity or not. So these types of situation are happening in our country, and in any it may be in any country or in any region. So this type of due to this type of situation, the government should take action, take a initiative like reservation. So these are the things in the favor of reservation. So I would like to invite other to speak.
Thank you, Rajiv. As you
Okay,
said
Rajiv.
all about
Suraj, actually,
reservation.
Navdeep
Number one.
have speak very little, so I would like to invite Navdeep if you have any points.
No, I don't have any point. It's good. Let him speak.
I want to conclude.
Yes,
on the
sir.
topic
Suraj, conclude in 1 or 2 minutes, please.
Okay, I want to conclude on the topic of reservation, that a reservation should be in India, but within limit. Number one, those students who are under lower caste family, and number second, those students have not much. They have financial problem. These two type of students have to give a reservation. This is the number one step. Number second, those students get educated up to graduation and up to BTech. After that, into job, reservation will not be there. This is my conclusion.
Yes, thank you, Suraj, for your conclusion. Vivek, please conclude the topic.
उनको बुलाएगा।
Yes.
और हम आवाज देते हैं।
My conclusion is I am fully supported to everyone point. Like Mangalam ji speak some after before some time. Education is matter to only one knowledge. No matter to reservation. You give reservation and then you become a big place and you are everything achieve in your life. They are no matter to reservation. They are matter to only one knowledge. This point is very necessary for everyone because we are in do exam IIT JEE mains is and scheduled caste is minimum marks come in exam and they are in NIT, go in NIT and IIT and they are eligible for advanced exam. But we are not eligible to exam. They are very painful at that time and they are very soft at that time. They are very bad feedback at that time. So this point is very disadvantage to everyone because here knowledge is matter, only one knowledge, no matter to casteism and no matter to reservation. I think government take that point and they are improved after some time. I think my all
Yes,
conclusion
thank
point.
you, Vivek. And Navdeep, please conclude about the topic, whether it is good or bad, and what should be way forward of the reservation in 1 minute. Yes.
I think the main point is to give them financial support, not give them merit-wise support. That's the one point. And they should give the quality of education. That's why it's decreasing because they are getting admission in lower marks. But we should give them only financial support. That's all. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Navdeep. Navdeep wants to say that we should not dilute the meritocracy. So I'm going to conclude the session. I think that as of now, the reservation caste-based reservation system is a tools for the political party to remain in the opposition. And the second thing is that it is the spoon feeding for that society to get into the job, to get into the college via reservation system. But it affects the growth of the country and it also affects the growth of that unprivileged society person. So as previous speaker conclude that government should focus on the economical based reservation or the combination of caste and economical. So with this note, I'm going to wrap the today's session. Tomorrow we will again meet with some new group discussion topics. The meeting recording link will be sent in the respective WhatsApp group. Actually, we are running out of time, so please speak in 30 seconds.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, we are very few seconds left, so I am concluding in 1 minute. So reservation is good for the society, and everyone have talk about the in education reservation in education system and the job. I am adding one point that are left. So one thing is that in the previous scenario, the in 1949 and after the independence of our country, so at that time the rules have made of the reservation and the rules are made on the caste system. So the scenario have changed in nowadays. So the government should have to modify in the system. So a lot of people who are good in good economical economically, but they got reservation, and they are getting the resources, resources of who are the needy. Okay, so these are the points from my side. Thank you, everyone. We are running out of time, so thank you.
Yes, thank you. Thank you for all for joining the group discussion. From tomorrow, try to join at 12 p.m. sharply so that we will finish the group discussion within the 40 minutes because 1 hour is a little bit long. And the second thing is that from tomorrow we will divide the time according to the number of participants. Suppose there is 5 participants, then we always speak 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, so that we will finish in 40 minutes. So with this note, I'm going to wrap the session. We will meet tomorrow again. Bye.